What is going on, guys? Coach Joe, and in this video we're going to be covering 3 awesome sandbag workouts that you can do anywhere, anytime, any place. Let's go. Fancy that. What is up, guys? Coach Joe here at the Lions Den, located in Colmar, PA. Like I said in the intro, we're going to be talking about 3 sandbag exercises that you can do anywhere, any place, anytime. And if you're wondering what sandbags I use or why I use sandbags, I'm going to link up some previous videos above that go into way more depth. This video is going to be short, right to the point. I want you guys to get into these workouts, try them out. And then I also want you to go into the comments section and put some sandbag workouts that you like so that other people can give them a try. But if you're new to the channel, make sure first off you give the video a thumbs up, you subscribe to the channel, and you hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the videos that come out on Mondays. So without further ado, let's get on over to workout number 1. All right, guys, for sandbag workout number 1, what we have on tap is going to be 5 total rounds of 5 movements for 10 reps per movement, which is going to give us a full body stimulus throughout this workout. So the first move we're going to do is going to be push-ups. Now you can do your push-ups off of the bag if you would like, or on the ground, doesn't matter, but what I'm looking for is just full range of motion with every single rep. Once we've completed our 10 reps for our push-ups, we're gonna go to squats. Now when we do the squats, we're gonna load the sandbag onto one of our shoulders, and we're gonna do 10 squats, and then we're gonna switch to the other side and do 10 squats. So it's 10 squats per leg for 20 total squats in each session. So when you complete the entire workout, you should be having 100 total squats by the time you're finished. Now from there, what we're gonna do is go right into 10 burpees over the bag. So getting our conditioning in a little bit here by doing our 10 burpees, going all the way down, chest to the ground, and then jumping over the bag each time for 10 total reps. After we've completed our lateral burpees, we're gonna go to sandbag rows to chest. So wanna make sure that we're getting full range of motion with this exercise, getting the bag to touch our chest every single time. Now for the last movement on our list here, we're gonna go for a sandbag press. This could be a strict press, a push press, whatever, as long as you get the bag over your head somehow. And you're gonna find that it's gonna be pretty awkward, which mostly with every sandbag exercise that we do, it's gonna be awkward, and that's one of the reasons that we really do like to use these sandbags. But that is our first workout. So we have 5 rounds, 5 movements for 10 reps per movement. Scale it to your ability and whatever works best for you. You wanna be feeling it throughout your entire body, getting a good sweat and some conditioning in with this workout. All right, workout number 2. Get it? All right. Let's get on over to it. All right, guys, so workout number 2, we're gonna keep it very simple and do an every minute on the minute for 10 minutes. Now, when we do every minute on the minute, all the movements I'm about to tell you must be done within 60 seconds. So if it takes you 30 seconds to complete the list of movements, you have the remainder of that minute, so it'll be 30 seconds to rest before the next round starts. Now, I'm gonna give you guys the reps that are prescribed, but make sure you adjust it as needed because you do wanna have some rest within that minute. You don't wanna do your first round and already be only having 5 seconds of rest or going into the next round with no rest. So it should progressively get harder, but it shouldn't start off so hard that you can't get a little bit of rest time before the next round starts. So with this, with our sandbag, we're gonna do 5 sandbag deadlifts, then go to 5 sandbag cleans, right into 5 sandbag front squats, into 5 sandbag push presses. So all of that must be done within 60 seconds, then you'll rest, and then start again on the second minute for 10 total rounds. Now, like I had said, adjust this according to your ability. If 3s work for you, do 3s. If 5s are good, do 5s. If 6 or 7 reps is a good challenge for you, do that. It all depends on your ability and how much weight is in your bag. All right, guys, third and final sandbag workout. This one is gonna be a doozy, all right? So the way it works is we are going to do a ladder format. So basically you're gonna get some body weight exercises, keeping it very simple, but you can sub any exercise that worked for you and depending on your equipment. But we're just gonna start with a push-up, a jump squat, and a burpee. And you'll do 1 rep of each of those body weight exercises, and then you're going to pick up your sandbag and you're going to run it for a distance, I would say minimally 10 yards down and back, but you can make it as long as you would like. Once you come back, you are going to do 2 reps of each of those body weight exercises, do your sandbag run, and continue to just build that ladder on the body weight exercise only. The sandbag run will always stay the same, so just 1 time down and back, but the body weight exercise will keep climbing as high as you can. In terms of duration, I would say start with anywhere from 10 minutes all the way up to 20 minutes, okay? And it's up to you. You can rest whenever you need to, or you can have set rest time between your rounds. But if you just want to keep going continuously, do the best you can. Like I said, this one, you don't feel it in the beginning, but as you start to climb those rounds, it is going to get tough and the carries will add up your fatigue as well. So give that a shot. And like I said, you can substitute it with any exercise you want, but we're gonna start very basic and give it a shot, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. That concludes our 3 workouts you can do with a sandbag, any place, anytime, anywhere. If you enjoyed the video or took some value from it, I'd really appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. We also have a private Facebook group called The Iron Lions, where you can join and just be surrounded by like-minded individuals who are on the same pursuit of fitness and strength training that you're on. We put out articles, form checks, all 100% free. So go over, check that out. Really would appreciate that. But until then, guys, stay a lean, mean strength machine, and I'll catch up with you guys next time.